Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the official hardware requirements for Windows 11 26H2 and help you check if your PC is ready for the update. Let's get started. Processor requirement. First, your computer needs a 64-bit processor that runs at 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more cores. If your processor is too old or not supported by Microsoft, you may not be able to install Windows 11 26H2 officially. RAM requirement. Next, your PC needs at least 4 GB of RAM. If you have less than 4 GB, Windows 11 won't install properly and performance will be very slow. Storage requirement. You also need 64 GB or more storage space. Make sure you have enough free space before starting the installation or upgrade. UEFI and Secure Boot. Your system should support UEFI firmware with Secure Boot capability. Secure Boot is highly recommended because some modern games and security features require it. However, it can be disabled if you're planning to use a dual boot setup with Linux. TPM requirement. Another important requirement is TPM 2.0, which stands for Trusted Platform Module. Most newer computers already have TPM 2.0, but on some PCs you may need to enable it in the BIOS settings. Graphics requirement. For graphics, your computer needs a DirectX 12 compatible graphics card with a WDDM 2.0 driver. This ensures better performance and compatibility with Windows 11 features. Display requirement. Your display should be at least 720p HD resolution and larger than 9 inches diagonally. Most laptops and desktop monitors already meet this requirement. Internet and Microsoft account. Finally, you'll need an internet connection and a Microsoft account to complete the Windows 11 setup process. Without them, some setup features may not work properly. So, these are the official hardware requirements for Windows 11 26H2. Check your PC specifications before upgrading to avoid any installation problems. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.